Once, a young boy came to Gautam Buddha and said, "Buddha, why do I have so many obscene thoughts? I often have erotic thoughts that occupy my mind, wasting a lot of my time and energy. Because of this, I cannot remain calm and always feel attracted to the opposite gender." Buddha smiled and said, "Do you know what eroticism is?" The boy replied, "Buddha, I do not know what eroticism means, but whatever it is, it feels very bad." Buddha said, "First of all, you should understand that whatever is naturally inside us is not bad. It has a purpose in our lives. Lust is a feeling that makes us aware of something we lack, which then attracts us to fulfill that lack. For example, if someone lacks money, they will feel an attraction towards money, a lust for it. Thus, lust is simply a kind of need. When this need is physical, we call it eroticism." The boy said, "Buddha, I understand what eroticism means, but where does it come from? How does it arise in us?" Buddha said, "Eroticism does not come from anywhere. It is naturally present in us. It must be there because it is the foundation of humankind." The boy asked, "Buddha, if eroticism is naturally present in us, then why do people call it wrong?" Buddha said, "It is a significant problem that people view eroticism wrongly and try to suppress it. Eroticism is not wrong, but it is wrong to be unbridled in eroticism, to always think about it, live only for it, and make it the sole goal of life." Buddha asked the boy, "Do animals also have eroticism?" The boy replied, "Yes, Buddha, of course. Even animals have to carry forward their generation." Buddha said, "Then why don't we call the eroticism of animals wrong?" The boy said, "I don't know, Buddha. Please tell me." Buddha said, "Because animals use their eroticism solely to reproduce, not for pleasure or enjoyment. Nature has not given animals the ability to think deeply about it and make their lust the basis of momentary happiness. However, we humans use our ability to think to seek happiness and enjoyment from everything in nature, including eroticism. The feeling nature instilled in us for the survival of humankind has become the paramount goal of our lives, leading to unbridled human eroticism, which is why it is considered wrong." The boy asked, "But why does eroticism dominate? What are the reasons for it being unbridled?" Buddha explained, "There are 4 major reasons for unbridled eroticism. The first reason is not having a big purpose in life. Do obscene thoughts come to your mind when you are busy with some work?" The boy replied, "No, Buddha, when I am busy, obscene thoughts do not come to my mind." Buddha said, "Our mind can only focus on one thing at a time. When we have other thoughts running through our minds, obscene thoughts cannot come. If we have a big and clear goal in life and are fully dedicated to it, we will not have time for extravagant thoughts. Even if such thoughts arise, our strong goal-oriented thoughts will easily displace them. The real problem is that most people lack a strong and clear goal." Buddha continued, "The second reason for eroticism is that society tries to suppress it by deeming it wrong. Erotic thoughts have always been viewed suspiciously by many because we do not accept our reproductive organs as we do other body parts, like hands or feet, which perform their natural functions. By making reproductive organs mysterious, a different interest awakens in people, causing them to feel attracted to eroticism. When we try to suppress a thought, it emerges more forcefully. If I tell you not to think about a mango, what is the first picture that comes to your mind?" The boy replied, "Buddha, the first picture that came to my mind was of a mango." Buddha said, "Similarly, when we try to stop obscene thoughts forcibly, they rise more strongly. Never try to suppress thoughts." The boy said, "Yes, Buddha, I have felt that too." Buddha said, "The third reason for the dominance of eroticism in humans is that we are not aware of our thoughts. We never pay attention to how thoughts arise in our mind. When we think about one thing, our mind starts adding related thoughts, creating a chain of thoughts that can confuse us. This is exactly what happens with obscene thoughts. When we create an obscene thought after seeing someone, our mind automatically builds a chain of these thoughts, wasting our energy and time. Therefore, with full awareness, it is necessary to pay attention to the thoughts arising within you. Buddha said, "The fourth reason for obscene thoughts dominating is associating with people who have bad or obscene thoughts. Sometimes, eroticism does not dominate us, but due to associating with such people, it becomes dominant." The boy said, "Yes, Buddha, I have felt it myself." Buddha said, "Therefore, one should keep away from bad thoughts and obscene people." The boy asked, "Buddha, I understand how eroticism can dominate, but how can it be prevented from dominating?" Buddha replied, "First of all, you must understand that the energy of eroticism cannot be stopped. It can only be transformed. There are two ways to transform this energy: love and meditation. In true love, the energy of eroticism is converted into happiness. However, most people mistake physical attraction for love, which spends energy without transforming it. The most successful way to transform the energy of eroticism is through meditation. Through meditation, you become established in a center of bliss within you, in front of which all worldly pleasures seem insignificant. It is not that you cannot think and do those things after meditation, but you will have grown above them, making such actions seem small and childish." The boy asked, "But where should I start meditation, Buddha?" Buddha said, "First, start spending time alone with yourself. The person with whom you spend the most time knows you the most. When you start knowing yourself, all material pleasures will feel small. A day will come when, without any effort, thoughts will stop arising in your mind. Thank you for joining me on this journey of embracing simplicity and finding the true essence of life. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more thought-provoking content. Please share this with someone you love the most. Lastly, remember to climb higher, aim higher, and rise with aspiration."